In many of your ECE classes, you have to take module notes over the chapter readings for the module, as well as the other resources in your module resources or your module instructional materials folders. What are module notes? Well, you download a template that has been provided for you. There's a module 1, 2, 3, and so on throughout the class. So you're going to download that template. If you have a printer, you should print the template. However, if you do not have a printer or you want to write your notes on a scrap piece of paper with lines or for any multiple different reasons, you can write your notes on scratch paper. That is okay. You do need to use the template, though, that is provided for you. All notes have to be handwritten, and I show you in class, I give a link to why. We do this because, or I do this in my classes, because there is brain research that shows writing things, handwriting things, does lead to longer memory retention and more effective learning. You're going to take notes not just from your textbook, but the other resources within the module. You need to make sure that at the end of the module notes that you answer each of the essential questions. Those essential questions and their answers are connecting back to the details that you took notes on. And yes, you may use these module notes on any module exams, chapter quizzes, or any final exams in the class. I want you to use these notes. The more you use these notes, the better you will retain the information that we learn. You might be a color-coded kind of person, and so you might find it beneficial to write in different colors. Note, there are not complete sentences. Punctuation is not formal. This is for your learning. That is the important thing here. Keywords, key information, vocabulary words, making things make sense to you. Make sure you answer those essential questions. Sometimes there'll be 3 questions, sometimes 5, usually no more than 6. If there's more than 6, I didn't do a very good job. So make sure you answer those essential questions. Those essential questions are listed at the top of your module notes template and at the bottom. And at the bottom, there's actually space for you to answer them. And maybe you write in pencil so you can erase. Note, you don't have to just stay in the single boxes. Your writing might overflow. That's where the scratch paper comes key. And pictures, graphs, those are good visual cues to jog your memory about information. When you submit your module notes, you need to scan each page separately. I need to be able to read the notes. Do I read them word for word? No. I'm not going to lie. But I need to be able to read them enough to be able to skim them that I can tell that you are putting forth effort into the notes and that the notes have accurate detail and information. There is a rubric that I use, and you need to look at that note-taking rubric that is in the class module. Alternatives to using a scanner is taking a picture with your smartphone and uploading your notes. If you don't have either of those, then let me know and we'll figure something out.